What's going on, everybody? Welcome to this episode of 2 Minute Nutrition. In this episode, we're going to be calculating the estimated energy requirements for females. Last episode we did males. If you haven't seen that, go in and check it out. This is going to be pretty similar. The equation is a little bit different, but we do need the same data before we do the equation, and that is we need the individual's age, physical activity level based on a 1 to 1.4 scale. The males was 1.1 to 1.3. Females is a little bit more variance, 1 to 1.4. So we also need weight in kilograms and height in meters. So let's look at the equation. Let's plug in the fictional person that we have and see what we come up with. I'll walk you through the equation, and by the end we'll have a good estimate of how many calories this individual should eat. And based on that estimate, if the person wants to lose weight, they should eat less. If they want to gain weight, they should eat more, respectively. So let's look at the equation. Let's knock it out. Over here on the right, we're going to knock this portion out first. So starting with parentheses, we're going to do 9.36 times, let's just say this individual weighs about 130 pounds. So that's 59 kilograms. We're going to multiply those two together. That's going to give us 552. Moving on to the next set of parentheses, 726 times height in meters. I use, for example, a girl who is 5.5 foot, seems pretty average. That calculates to 1.67 meters, which when multiplied gives us 1,212. We're going to add those two numbers together, which is going to give us 1,764. Now for the activity level, I put as an example 1.2, because let's just say this individual maybe has a desk job, but they do work out for about an hour a day on most days of the week. So let's put 1.2. Again, you can use 1.3 if you work out maybe more than an hour, and then 1.4 if you work out more than 2 hours a day most days of the week. So anyway, 1.2 times that 1,764 factor that we got is 2,117 for the total for that portion of the equation. Now let's move over to the left-hand side. 6.91 times age. For the equation purposes, let's say the individual is 25 years old. So that's going to be 173. And we're going to take that away from 354, giving us 181. We're going to add that to 2,117, which is going to give us 2,298 calories this individual needs to eat per day, about 2,300. So that's it for the equation, guys. Calculating estimated energy requirements for females. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all want to check out the equation for males, go in and check out the channel. The equation and the video is in there. So hope y'all enjoyed the episode. I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one.